Hey guys, hey, it's Dr. Jerry here with Mills Chiropractic and Wellness Center with this week's episode of Research That Matters TV. You know, waking up with a headache or constantly getting one by the end of the workday is no fun. In fact, it's not even normal, right? Headaches can be caused by a variety of factors, but none of them is a deficiency in medication. You know, I've been strumming through the research as we're getting ready for this upcoming workshop this next week, looking at all the current research that's out there, and nowhere have I found a single case of a headache being caused by medication deficiency. As a matter of fact, if you've been relying on drugs to find relief day after day of these headaches, there's a variety of new research that is really encouraging to maybe rethink or reconsider that mechanism of treatment. You know, relying on medications to find relief can be simple, but it places an enormous amount of pressure on your liver and your internal organs. What's more is that the research is actually finding that the more you rely on these medications to treat it, you can have some pretty detrimental side effects. The biggest one of which is headaches. That's right. Taking the medication to treat your headaches actually can cause more headaches, and that's what the research is really proving. And if that's not enough to encourage you to rethink, your current treatment strategy about headaches, research is showing that NSAIDs increase your risk of heart attacks. In fact, we just wrote a blog on that this past week. And it's easy to see why our belief is that the best way for people to treat these headaches is with natural alternatives through a combination of chiropractic and exercise and eating right. Our workshop that we have coming up, that's what we're going to be talking about, is how to find some natural solutions and find relief from headaches once they come on, but how to prevent them from even coming on in the first place is even a better approach, right? We'll discover that what some of the causes of some of the most common headaches are and what some of the appropriate treatment strategies should be, mostly obviously from a natural standpoint. And so if you suffer with headaches or you know somebody that does, get them to our workshop, bring them, drag them, do whatever you got to do, because it can really change their life and change the trajectory of their health. And so I'm really looking forward to this. I'm putting my finishing touches on our class as we get ready for it. I'm really looking to bring some, I hope, valuable information for all of you guys out there. So until next time, guys, see you later. Dr. Jerry Mills signing off.